What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Google Play Store apps on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To bring Android apps to your Windows device, you'll need an Android emulator. One popular choice is Bluestacks. Known for its user-friendliness, it allows you to play any game or use any app from the Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC. Begin by clicking on the first link in the description to get to this download page. Download the Bluestacks 5 setup installer to your system. This should only take a moment to complete. And then you can follow the installation wizard before opening up the app. After launching the app, locate and launch the Google Play Store app from the Android emulator. Here, log in to your Google account to start downloading apps. You can install almost any app compatible with your Android device. Let's take the example of installing the Subway Surfers game. Search for Subway Surfers and click on Install. After installation, you'll find the game icon on the Bluestacks home screen. Run the game, and now you can enjoy playing it using your keyboard and mouse controls. Bluestacks allows you to adjust your game controls, performance settings, frame rate, display resolution, and much more. Take a minute to check out your Bluestacks settings to optimize it for your PC's performance. By following these steps, you can effortlessly install nearly any Android app on your Windows PC using Bluestacks. It's a convenient way to bridge the gap between mobile and PC experiences. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.